Unlock Your Ideal Weight, a science-backed guide for health enthusiasts tired of fad diets and quick fixes that don't last? This video dives deep into the science of sustainable weight loss, providing you with actionable strategies to achieve your goals and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Weight loss isn't just about shedding pounds. It's a journey towards a healthier, happier you. It's about making sustainable changes that become a part of your everyday life. A holistic approach considers all aspects of your well-being. This includes your diet, exercise routine, and overall lifestyle. It's about finding balance and creating habits that support your long-term health. This video will guide you through the essential elements of a successful weight loss journey. We'll cover everything from dietary strategies to lifestyle modifications. The foundation of any successful weight loss plan is creating a calorie deficit. This means burning more calories than you consume. Achieving a calorie deficit doesn't mean starving yourself. It's about making smart choices and being mindful of what you eat. You can achieve a calorie deficit through mindful eating practices. This involves paying attention to your hunger cues and eating slowly. You can also achieve it through strategic dietary choices. Prioritize nutrient-dense, unprocessed foods in your diet. These foods provide your body with the vitamins and minerals it needs to thrive. Examples of whole foods include fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are naturally lower in calories and higher in fiber. The high fiber content promotes satiety and prevents overeating. You'll feel fuller for longer, making it easier to stick to your calorie goals. Be mindful of serving sizes to avoid overeating. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Use smaller plates to help manage your calorie intake. This simple trick can visually trick your brain into feeling satisfied with less food. Read nutrition labels carefully to understand the caloric content of your food. This will help you make informed choices and stay within your calorie goals. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats are often high in calories. They are also low in essential nutrients. These foods can contribute to weight gain and hinder your weight loss efforts. They often contain added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Reduce your consumption of sugary sodas, juices, and sweetened beverages. These drinks are loaded with empty calories and offer little nutritional value. Limit your intake of processed snacks, fried foods, and fast food. These items are typically high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium. Protein is a highly satiating macronutrient. It helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and preventing overeating. Protein also helps preserve muscle mass during weight loss. This is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism and preventing muscle loss. Include lean protein sources in your diet, such as chicken, fish, beans, tofu, and lentils. These foods provide essential amino acids and support overall health. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps you feel full. This can prevent you from overeating and snacking unnecessarily. Water also plays a crucial role in boosting metabolism. It helps your body burn calories more efficiently. Sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for hunger. Drinking water can help you differentiate between the two and avoid unnecessary calorie consumption. Exercise is essential for burning calories and boosting your metabolism. It also plays a vital role in improving overall health and well-being. Regular physical activity helps you maintain weight loss in the long term. It builds muscle mass, which increases your resting metabolic rate. Incorporate a variety of exercises into your routine to keep things interesting and challenge your body. This will help you stay motivated and avoid plateaus. Cardiovascular exercise is highly effective for burning calories. It also improves your cardiovascular health and reduces your risk of heart disease. Examples of cardiovascular exercises include running, swimming, cycling, and brisk walking. Choose activities that you enjoy and that fit your fitness level. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity per week. Alternatively, aim for 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week. Building muscle mass increases your metabolism. This means you'll burn more calories even when you're at rest. Incorporate strength training exercises into your routine at least 2 times per week. Use weights, resistance bands, or your own body weight to challenge your muscles. Focus on compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Examples include squats, lunges, push-ups, and rows. Find opportunities to be more active throughout your day. Even small changes can make a big difference in your overall calorie expenditure. Take the stairs instead of the elevator whenever possible. Walk or bike to work or errands instead of driving. Walk during your lunch breaks or take short breaks to stretch and move around. Do household chores like gardening or cleaning. Beyond diet and exercise, lifestyle modifications play a significant role in weight loss success. These changes address the underlying factors that contribute to weight gain. Prioritizing sleep, managing stress, and tracking your progress are all essential components of a healthy lifestyle. These habits support your weight loss goals and improve your overall well-being. Making these changes can be challenging, but the rewards are well worth the effort. You'll feel more energized, focused, and confident in your ability to achieve your goals. Adequate sleep regulates hormones that control appetite and metabolism. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the hunger hormone ghrelin and less of the satiety hormone leptin. Aim for 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you wind down and prepare for sleep. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed, and make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. These factors can all impact your sleep quality. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, which can promote fat storage, especially in the abdominal area. High cortisol levels can also lead to increased appetite and cravings for unhealthy foods. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. These activities can help calm your mind and reduce cortisol levels. Spend time in nature, engage in hobbies you enjoy, and connect with loved ones. These activities can help you relax and de-stress. Monitoring your weight, measurements, and food intake can help you stay motivated and identify areas for improvement. Tracking your progress allows you to see how far you've come and celebrate your successes. Use a food journal or a mobile app to track your calorie intake and macronutrient ratios. This will help you stay within your calorie goals and make sure you're getting enough protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Weigh yourself regularly and take measurements of your waist, hips, and thighs. This will help you track your progress and see how your body is changing. Joining a weight loss group or working with a registered dietitian or personal trainer can provide valuable support, guidance, and accountability. Having a support system can make the weight loss journey less daunting and more enjoyable. A registered dietitian can help you create a personalized meal plan that meets your individual needs and goals. A personal trainer can help you develop an exercise routine that is safe and effective. Connecting with others who are on a similar journey can provide encouragement and motivation. You can share tips, recipes, and experiences and support each other through challenges. Weight loss is a personal journey, and what works for one person may not work for another. Experiment with different strategies and find a sustainable approach that fits your lifestyle. Consistency and patience are key to long-term success. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Keep making healthy choices and trust the process. Consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine. They can help you create a safe and effective plan that is tailored to your individual needs. Ready to take control of your health and achieve your weight loss goals? Download our free weight loss guide in the description below. It's packed with actionable tips, delicious recipes, and a sample meal plan to get you started. Also, subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health and wellness advice. Let's embark on this journey together.